Hello students, welcome to GK class. As you know that this GK class is not confined to just sticking to one page, reading that chapter, completing the exercise. Yes, so I brought some more interesting facts about animals. So let's listen and just read, students. No need to learn, no need to write down, just have information about a bit on animals. So let's go. Now, we were knowing that there are different kinds of animals, wild animals, domestic animals, land animals, water animals. Now, you know that there are shy animals also, friendly animals also. So, most animals are not familiar with human beings. When they see people moving towards them, they feel shy and they run away. Have you noticed squirrel? Yes, it runs very fast. Lizard, mouse, tortoise, etc. So they know that they are like that afraid of you. You will harm. So they are shy and they run away. Some animals like lion, tiger, they attack on us. But pet animals and domestic animals are not shy of us. This is because they are familiar with the human beings. So some are shy, some are friendly. And now let's see some more interesting facts. Let's know about ears of animals. Rabbits and elephants have long and big ears that help them in hearing the slightest sound. Big ears, but they can listen the slightest sound also. Next, dogs have ears that can move. This helps them to know where a sound is coming from. Dogs have far more sensitive hearing than humans and can detect much quicker sounds. And let's see some other animals. A polar bear has small nubs instead of ears that it can close while swimming. Birds have two tiny holes on their either side of heads which function as their ears. They do not have external ears. This helps a bird to fly easily. Students always note that snakes do not have ears. They hear through the vibration on the ground. Now let's do some exercise which is there in your book. This is chapter 1, page 272, and this is your classwork. Name them. These creatures have tusks. The Inuits hunt them. What is the answer? Walrus. Now see, the photo also is there. So this will help you to understand more nicely. Next, this is a shy but intelligent ape. Its name means person of the forest. It is a threatened species now. That means they are not seen now. What is the answer? Yes, orangutans. What is the answer? Orangutans. You can again see the photo. Next question. It is the largest animal to ever live on earth and it can eat up to 4 tons of food every day. And what is the answer? Blue whale. Next. The insect has remained largely unchanged for over 200 million years. And the answer is cockroach. Let's do the next exercise also, which is on the same page. Here to tell the reason. Again, this is a classwork. Now students, to write these answers, you have two options. First is you can write on the page itself. Second option, you can take a page from the notebook and you can stick in the middle of the page. You can write there chapter 1, question B, first answer, second answer, and then you can stick there in the book in the grammar portion. Okay. First, usually polar bears cannot eat penguins. Now can you give the reason why? Answer is polar bears live in the Arctic region and penguins live in the Antarctic region. That's why polar bear cannot eat penguins. Next, the same honeybee will never sting a human being a second time. Reason is, listen very nicely. The bee leaves its sting behind. It dies when it loses its sting. That's why the same honeybee will never sting a human being a second time. Here we end our today's session. Students, don't forget that you have to show thumbs up once you see the video, and whenever you send the assignment, please note that the name of the student should be clear, subject, class and section. In the next class, again I'll get you some more interesting facts on animals and we'll do the exercise part also.